Imagine a world where every building and courtyard of the Brighton community exists in vivid digital form, in real time. From a tablet, headset, or desktop, you can walk the same halls and meet others in a living, digital version of Brighton, from anywhere in the world. Brighton's digital twin turns property management into a smart, responsive system that listens, learns, and adapts. Every sensor, switch, and meter connects through IoT and AI, tracking building performance in real time, predicting maintenance needs, and catching small issues before they become costly problems. That means healthier buildings, lower expenses, and homes that stay affordable for decades. For residents, an interactive chatbot brings the building to life, answering questions, managing utilities, and connecting people to resources, events, and jobs within the neighborhood. It's property management that feels personal, not distant. Behind the scenes, the system learns, optimizing operations, improving energy efficiency, and strengthening the foundation of affordability that defines Brighton communities. As Brighton upgrades with solar panels, smart meters, and water detection devices, our digital twin tracks the community's total carbon footprint in real time. For our seniors and families, safety is built in. Body heat sensors and motion tracking detect unusual patterns, helping staff respond quickly to potential falls or emergencies while protecting privacy. These connected systems create a neighborhood that cares. Now Brighton is going even further, creating a digital twin not just of today's buildings, but of tomorrow's residents will be able to walk through future homes, green spaces, and community centers in immersive 3D, exploring, learning, and giving feedback before anything is built. In this shared virtual space, neighbors can co-design the next generation of Brighton, offering feedback, testing ideas, and shaping the future together in real time. In partnership with BizzTech, Aquila, and Circuit Meter, Brighton Communities is building more than smart housing. We're building a living model of community-powered innovation, where every voice matters and every contribution helps create a more resilient, sustainable, and connected neighborhood. This is not just the future of urban living. It's the future we're building together.